Someone asks you, "How are you?"
And you answer, "I'm fine."
Again and again.
At work, with friends, with strangers, in class, always the same answer.
"I'm fine" is not wrong.
Then why should I stop saying it?
Because if you only say "I'm fine," the conversation often stops.
Oh, like a door closing.
Exactly. "I'm fine" can sound like a closed door.
But sometimes I don't know what else to say.
That is what we will practice today.
So I can answer, "How are you?" more naturally?
Yes, you will learn simple answers for good days, normal days, busy days, tired days, and hard days.
Good. I want real English, not robotic English.
Welcome to the English room. Stay with us, because by the end, "How are you?" we feel much easier to answer.
Today, we will use a simple answer map.
An answer map?
Yes. Feeling, small reason, ask back.
Feeling, small reason, ask back.
Good. This map makes your answer sound natural.
So instead of only saying, "I'm fine," I add a little more.
Exactly.
Can you give me an example?
I'm doing well. I had a good morning. How about you?
I'm doing well. I had a good morning. How about you?
Perfect. That answer has 3 parts.
Feeling, reason, ask back.
Yes.
That already sounds more natural than "I'm fine."
Exactly. Simple, but alive. Let's start with easy positive answers.
Okay.
I'm doing well.
I'm pretty good.
I'm feeling good today. Good. These are simple and natural.
Is pretty good very strong?
Not too strong. It means good, but relaxed.
So not amazing, not bad, just good?
Exactly.
I'm pretty good. I slept well last night.
Excellent. You added a small reason.
Feeling plus reason.
Yes, that is the map. Let's practice a simple positive answer.
Okay.
Hey, how are you?
I'm pretty good. I had a nice morning. How about you?
I'm good too. Thanks.
That felt easy.
Yes, you did not need a long answer.
Just one feeling, one reason, and one question back.
Exactly.
I'm doing well. Today has been nice so far. What about you?
Very good.
Now, how are you feels less scary.
Good. Small answers can start real conversations. Now, let's talk about normal days.
Normal days are hard to explain.
Yes, not good, not bad, just normal.
Exactly. My life is not a movie every day.
So use these phrases. Not bad.
Not bad.
I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Same as usual.
Same as usual.
Good. But be careful with tone.
Tone?
If you say, "I'm okay," with a sad voice, people may think something is wrong.
I'm okay.
That sounds not okay.
True.
Say it calmly. "I'm okay. Same as usual."
I'm okay. Same as usual.
Let's practice a normal day answer.
Okay.
How are you today?
Not bad. Just a normal day. How about you?
Same here. A normal day.
That sounds casual.
Yes, very natural.
I'm okay. Nothing special today. What about you?
Good.
Can I say nothing special?
Yes, it means nothing big happened.
I'm okay. Nothing special, but I'm glad to be here.
Excellent. That sounds friendly.
Better than just fine.
Much better. Now, let's talk about busy days.
This one is useful. I am busy a lot.
I've been busy.
I've been busy.
It's been a busy day.
It's been a busy day.
I've had a lot to do.
I've had a lot to do.
Good. These phrases sound natural at work, school, or daily life.
I've been busy, but I'm doing okay.
Excellent.
So I can be honest without complaining?
Exactly. You can say busy, but okay.
Busy, but okay. How about you?
Perfect. Short and natural. Let's practice a busy answer.
Okay.
Hey, Leo, how's your day going?
It's been busy, but not bad. I've had a lot to do. How's your day?
Busy too, but I'm managing.
I'm managing. What does that mean?
It means things are not perfect, but you are handling them.
I'm managing.
Good. Use it when life is busy or a little difficult.
I've been busy, but I'm managing.
Excellent.
If you are watching, repeat this. Busy, but I'm managing.
Good. Keep watching, because next we will talk about tired days. Now let's talk about tired days.
Sometimes this is the real answer.
I'm a little tired.
I'm a little tired.
I didn't sleep well.
I didn't sleep well.
I'm low on energy today.
I'm low on energy today.
Good. These phrases are useful and natural.
Is low on energy common?
Yes, it means you feel tired or slow.
I'm a little tired. I didn't sleep well, but I'm okay.
Perfect.
That answer is honest, but not too heavy.
Exactly. You can share just enough. Let's practice a tired answer.
Okay.
How are you this morning?
I'm a little tired. I didn't sleep well, but I'm okay. How about you?
I'm okay too. I need more coffee.
Coffee is also part of English learning.
Maybe for many people.
I'm low on energy today, but I'll be fine.
Good.
Is I'll be fine different from I'm fine?
Yes, I'll be fine means you are not perfect now, but you think you will be okay.
That is useful.
Very useful.
Can I share a small story?
Of course.
I had a friend who always answered, I'm fine.
Always?
Always. Good day, bad day, busy day, tired day, same answer.
And what happened?
People stopped asking more questions because his answer closed the conversation.
That makes sense.
One day, he changed the answer. He said, I'm a little tired, but I'm happy it's Friday.
That is much more natural.
Yes. And someone replied, same here. Any plans for the weekend?
So one better answer opened the conversation.
Exactly. I'm fine was a closed door. A real answer opened a small window.
That story is important.
Because he did not need advanced English.
Right. He only needed a small, real detail.
I'm tired, but I'm happy it's Friday.
Perfect.
So the secret is not a big answer?
Exactly. The secret is one honest detail.
One honest detail can keep the conversation alive.
Beautiful.
I'm doing well. I had a good morning.
I'm okay. Nothing special today.
I'm busy, but I'm managing.
I'm a little tired, but I'll be okay.
These sound like real answers.
Now,
Let's talk about hard days.
This is important.
Sometimes you are not fine, but you do not want to share everything.
Yes, I want to be honest, but also private.
Use this phrase. Today has been a little hard.
Today has been a little hard.
I've had a lot on my mind.
I've had a lot on my mind.
I'm not feeling my best today.
I'm not feeling my best today.
Good. These answers are honest, but not too detailed.
That helps. I don't need to explain everything.
Exactly.
Today has been a little hard, but I'm taking it one step at a time.
Beautiful. Let's compare 4 answers.
Okay, this is useful.
I'm fine is simple, but sometimes it closes the conversation.
I'm fine.
I'm good sounds more natural in many casual situations.
I'm good.
I'm pretty good sounds friendly and relaxed.
I'm pretty good.
I'm okay can mean normal, or it can mean you are not great.
So tone matters.
Exactly. Tone changes meaning.
I'm okay.
That sounds normal.
I'm okay.
That sounds like maybe something is wrong.
English has feelings inside the voice.
Exactly. Now let's learn how to ask back.
This is the part many learners forget.
Yes, if someone asks, "How are you?" it is polite to ask back.
What can I say?
How about you?
How about you?
What about you?
What about you?
How's your day going?
How's your day going?
How have you been?
How have you been?
Good. Asking back makes the conversation feel balanced.
So I should not answer and disappear.
Exactly. Do not run away after "I'm fine."
I have done that.
Many learners have. Let's practice answer plus ask back.
Okay,
Hey, how are you?
I'm pretty good. I had a slow morning, but I'm feeling better now. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I've been busy today.
Oh, really? What have you been working on?
Excellent.
I asked another question.
Yes, that keeps the conversation going.
So the full skill is answer, ask back, then follow up.
Exactly.
I'm pretty good. How about you?
Simple and natural.
If this lesson is helping you, like the video and keep practicing with us.
Now let's learn answers for different people.
Different people?
Yes, you may answer a stranger, a coworker, and a close friend differently.
That makes sense.
To a stranger, you can say, "I'm good, thanks. How are you?"
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
To a coworker, you can say, "Pretty good. It's been a busy day. How about you?"
Pretty good. It's been a busy day. How about you?
To a close friend, you can say, "Honestly, today has been a little hard."
Honestly, today's been a little hard.
Good. Choose the answer that fits the relationship.
So natural English is not only grammar, it is situation?
Exactly. Now, let's do a quick answer quiz.
Okay, test me.
You are having a good day. What can you say?
I'm pretty good. I had a nice morning.
Good. You are having a normal day. What can you say?
Not bad. Just a normal day.
Excellent. You are busy, but okay. What can you say?
I've been busy, but I'm managing.
Very good. You are tired. What can you say?
I'm a little tired. I didn't sleep well.
Perfect. And how do you ask back?
How about you?
Excellent. Now let's do one full natural conversation.
Okay. I will not just say I'm fine.
Hey, Leo. How are you?
I'm pretty good. It's been a busy day, but I'm managing. How about you?
I'm good, thanks. I had a lot of work this morning.
Oh, what kind of work?
Mostly emails and meetings.
Ah, emails and meetings. The international language of being tired.
Exactly.
I understand. I'm low on energy today, too. But I'll be okay.
That was very natural.
I used feeling, reason, ask back, and follow up.
Perfect. Let's review the answer map.
I'm ready.
First, say the feeling.
Pretty good.
Second, add a small reason.
I had a nice morning.
Third, ask back.
How about you?
Good.
Feeling, reason, ask back.
Exactly.
I'm okay. Nothing special today. What about you?
Excellent.
I've been busy, but I'm managing. How's your day going?
Very natural.
Now I have more answers than I'm fine.
Before we finish, remember the small window idea.
I'm fine can be a closed door.
But one honest detail can open a small window.
I'm pretty good. I had a nice morning.
I'm a little tired, but I'll be okay.
I've been busy, but I'm managing.
Today has been a little hard, but I'm taking it one step at a time.
These answers help people understand me better.
Exactly.
Now practice in the comments.
Answer this question. How are you today?
You can write, I'm pretty good. I had a nice morning.
If this lesson helped you, like the video and subscribe to the English Room for more real English conversation practice. Today, you learned what to say instead of, I'm fine.
I can say, I'm doing well.
Good.
I can say, not bad, just a normal day.
Yes.
I can say, I've been busy, but I'm managing.
Very useful.
I can say, I'm a little tired, but I'll be okay.
Excellent.
And I can ask, how about you?
Perfect. Natural English does not need to be complicated.
Just add one honest detail.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and open the conversation one sentence at a time.